Hi, my name is Mandy, and I'm a customer coach here at BombBomb, and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about your contacts and why it's so important to get them into your BombBomb account. So I'm going to go ahead and show you 4 ways that you can get contacts right into your BombBomb account, and we try to make it easy on you guys. So first things first is if you have a CRM, you can actually sync those contacts right from your customer relationship manager or CRM and bring them right into your BombBomb account. We actually have lots of different softwares that we have partnered with to make bringing contacts into your account easy. I'm going to show you a list of different companies or CRMs that we integrate with to make syncing your contacts into BombBomb easy. So in the top right-hand corner of your account, where your name is, there's an integrations tab. You're going to go ahead and click there, and it's going to show you a list of all the people that we integrate with so that you can easily sync those contacts right into BombBomb. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll through here, take a look at all these different companies that we integrate with. If you see yours, you can click on it, and there's going to be step-by-step directions to show you how you can integrate with that CRM and sync those contacts over. If you happen to have an integration or a CRM that doesn't integrate with BombBomb, that's okay, because you can just export those contacts as an Excel document or a CSV file. That will allow you to upload them right into our system. So let me go ahead and show you how you can upload a whole Excel document with all of your contacts right into BombBomb. So I'm going to take you to your contacts tab now. So in your contacts area, it's a great idea for you to create different lists so that you can organize and segment your contacts into different lists so you can send them specific types of emails that is going to be valuable to them. For example, let's say you have 20 clients. Maybe they're looking for a home in a certain area and you want to send an email right to those 20 clients. You can, and it's going to automatically blind carbon copy them. So it looks like it's coming from your email address right to that contact, and they don't see anybody else in the list. So you can segment those contacts in a list and send it out to all of them in one full swoop and save yourself some time. So from here, you're going to create a list. I'm just going to make a list called test. And then once you're here, there's going to be a gray Add People button. You can click the Add People button, and then there's 3 other ways for you to get contacts into your account if you don't have a CRM. So the first is uploading that Excel document saved as a CSV file. So you can click Browse. If it's saved on your computer, you'll just go find it, open. Now, you do want to certify that these are not a purchase list. And the reason for that is because you don't want to send to people you don't know, because they can mark you as spam and it's going to hurt your sending reputation, which is a big no-no. You want to make sure that you've gotten permission from these contacts, either implied or express permission. So for example, implied permission is contacts that you've worked with in the past. Express permission is, hey, here's my business card, please email me, or they've opted into receiving emails. So make sure that whenever you're sending or uploading contacts into your BombBomb account, that the people that you're uploading are a good group of contacts to send to so that you're sending them something valuable that they want to learn about. And then implied or express permission, add contacts in orange, and then you're going to tell the system what those columns represent. So first name, last name, birthdays, home anniversaries are always important, email, and then import them right into that list that we've created. Another thing you can do is when you click the Add People button, you can add an individual. Adding an individual allows you to manually type their information. So you can just do their first and last name, or you can add any other details that you'd like to include. All right, and the last way is if you want to copy and paste a whole list of emails, you can go wherever they're saved, copy those email addresses, and then paste them right into your BombBomb list. So that is your 4 ways that you can easily get contacts right into your BombBomb account. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We have an amazing support system and a support team on the phones ready to guide you. Feel free to give us a call at 866-209-4602 and we can help.